Gentlemen, this is event number 3, and we are on the first heat. Our teams that are competing in the first heat are Determination, Team Pollo Latini, Team Let's Go.
Princess, as you can see for the males, they're trying to find their floor. They need so they can start their front squat. So you can team Let's Go. They put the weight down. Put the weight. No, that was a no red for Team Determination.
2 minutes.
Teams, you are doing a marvelous job to continue on with that moment.
Else the weight is going to fall forward. That is the key to that front squat.
Right.
You have to make sure that you keep your back straight, chest up and up. There you go. That's one right
30
there.
seconds.
You need to do one more. 245 pounds front squat is good. Now we're going straight into
20.
You're going to go straight up, extend your elbows.
10 seconds.
10 seconds, guys.
5.
Oh, a big pamalo and great job to our teams for all the efforts that you put in for our first heat. Ladies and gentlemen, what about a big round of applause for Determination, Pollo Latini, and Let's Go. As we
You have 30 seconds. Judges, please load the bars. Athletes, stand by.
So as you can see here, ladies and gentlemen, we are moving into
15 seconds.
adding on to the race and changeover
Trap
for our
bar is
athletes.
loaded. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Are now have moved into the low carry as our
All right, Princess, now we have the males on the yoke carry. That is 3 pounds, 395 pounds, while the females, they're split for the complex. The complex is 2 front squat and 2 shoulder to overhead. As you can see right now, they continue to keep moving up the weight until they find their absolute best lift. For the boys, for the male, they have to do as many reps as they can for this 10-meter yoke carry.
As we explained before, the further we go into the competitions, as we climb into each level or to each event, the more intense and the harder the events become. And I believe that all of these events are designed to test the athlete's capability and endurance level. How hard, how far, and how long can you stay in this fight?
For female team determination, Siva is now lifting 195 pounds. That is front squat, and now she's doing shoulder to overhead, 195 pounds. Coach signal, that is good, perfect. Laufai for team determination at 1 pound. 125 pounds, front squat.
We see CC here making this yoke carry look like it's something that he does on a daily basis. And of course we have Abel from Team Let's Go.
For Team Let's Go, if we can get the judge to show us what the weight is, Famimole, Martin.
And Aitofele down by Foy Oletini.
All right. For the females, team determination, 135 pounds, 135 pounds for team determination. We have Siva on the bar now, get to her front squat. Martin Folau, if we can get the numbers for the team, let's go. And also, can we get the numbers for team Koyoletini?
Team Let's Go.
Two minutes remaining.
We have Aitofele with Team Forlatini doing his yoke 5 pounds.
You can do it, put your back into it. I can do it, put your back into it. I can do it, put your into it. Put your back into it. Put your into it. Tick, tick, boom, hit me banging down these back streets. Loving Black Street, treated like an athlete. Life ain't a track meet. That a nigga get carried on. We be coming to the test, we got. Ask the bartender if you think we lie. But if you
Came out with determination with the yoke.
Team determination, the ladies going 145 on the bar now.
1 minute remaining.
You can do it, put your back into it. I can do it, put your into it. You can do it, put your back into it. I can do it, put your into it.
30 seconds. Let's go, guys. Pick it up. 15 seconds. Push. Finish strong. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Time.
A job well done to all three of our teams for heat number 1. Determination for Latini, and let's go. As we complete heat 1, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to introduce to you all our teams competing in heat number 2. Built Different, Team YOLO, and Team
Right now, Princess, again, here is all about strategy. You have to make sure that you're not going to know your body, know what your numbers are. Since you started trim up, let's wait until let's see what the numbers are from the coaches and the judges.
YOLO Mali Azteca. This is round 3, number 2 are Built Different, YOLO, and Team Azteca.
Trying to build water. You got the cab, but can't afford it. Got the bad, but can't afford it. Give me a beat, I ride it like a jet ski. Some of the bad bitches, they harassing me. They like me because I rap and build the athletes.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, coverage for today. We have Fintawi Coco Comedy, T.Y. Bloom, MK Photography, KBTK TV, Film, James Aulama, my co-host, Toxie Media, and Tip Photography.
To you cowards, then it's gonna be quick. Oh, you made it in the kill before. Slim up and catch you run with, get done with. The dog with some bump. They go to 1-1, all over some dump. Ain't that? No, you think we're talking truth, but I'm not him, 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 I'm not him. Let's get ready to rumble!
All right, ladies and gentlemen, beginning with our second heat, we have Built Different, YOLO, and Team Azteca. Round 3, heat number 2.
All right, athletes, stand by. All right, judges ready? 10 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go.
Here we go. The ladies are starting out with their yoke carry for about 295 pounds, while the males are going for their first complex. 2 front squat and 2 shoulder to overhead. For the females, they're doing as many as they can of a 10-meter yoke carry.
Before you come, I need to shave my chop chop. You do what you don't, or you will, I won't chop. Go downtown and eat it like a vulture. See my hips, big hips, so chop. See my
I love the sign that I see here. You look hot when you sweat. I wish I could say the same for all of us. I do not look anything near hot when I'm sweating.
I need a glass of water. Boy, yo, boy, it's good to know ya. Let me work it.
If you a bad chick, run it up. Freak, touch her toes like what? She said the summertime, she tryna have some fun. If you a freak, do your thing, don't run. Don't do no running. It's summertime, yeah, we ain't cuffin'. Take this little chick, your man ain't on nothing. Forget Pound Town, I'm tryna go to Soul City. Your chick turned up, she asked, can you come and get
For
me?
Team
Like what?
YOLO,
Okay,
the
let's
boys
get
are
it.
lifting now
I just messed up the whole
225
program, beat it
pounds.
off the wall, knock it
Front
down,
squat
get it, see,
and
I'm
shoulder
playing,
to
no,
overhead,
all night.
225
All right,
pounds.
turn off the lights and beat it like a mic. Tell her don't run from this pipe. Let me see you run it up. Go ahead, shake some. Your chick going.
We got a
nuts, she just
signal.
put my
That's a
chains
good
on.
lift.
Got her going
Team
crazy,
YOLO,
let's shake it, watch her move.
225
Told her you gotta run it
pounds.
up. I'm not the one who made the rules. Left, right. Let me see you do it. Left, do it, right. Do it, left. Do it, right. Do it, left. Do it, right. Do it, left.
Looks like Asuka's going up the
Do
weight.
it, left, right, left, right. Do it, left. Run it up. Don't slip. Run it up. Left, run it up. Run it up. Run it up. Go ahead. Run it up. Run it up. Run it up. Go ahead. Run it up. Run it up. Run it up. Go ahead. Run it up. Run it up. Run it up. Go ahead.
For Team Asuka, both of our males have completed 225 pounds each. Now they're moving on to 245 pounds each.
Princess, same with Team YOLO. They're at 245 pounds now. That is a good lift. 245 for Team YOLO. Front squat complete. Overhead. Nice lift.
Very nice.
Signal from Ray. That is a good lift. Team YOLO, 245 pounds. Is a good lift.
You know how I do.
Team Asuka getting ready for their 245.
3-minute mark.
And that's a good look for Team Built Different. Very nice.
Both Makaya and Flo, this is not their first time. This is their second year returning to the Funk Fei game. And they are looking to improve on their last appearance.
Two minutes.
Team Asuka, we got Lily lifting 200. Signal is good. Straight into shoulder, overhead.
On the men's competition.
Team built different every step of the way.
Now for the males, for Team YOLO, James, they are moving into 225 pounds each.
255 pounds for the YOLO male.
1 minute remaining.
Again, Princess, it's all about technique. The way you lift that bar from the floor all the
30
way up
seconds.
to your front squat is all technique from here. Nice lift, Asuka.
15 seconds remaining.
Seconds, good lift. You can do it. Nice. Let's go, Asuka.
5 seconds.
5 seconds. Last one.
3,
The last
2,
one.
1, time.
Good job.
Very nice. Very, very
1
nice.
minute transition. Judges load the bar.
Yoke carry. We have 395 pounds for the team.
30 seconds.
The best lift.
3, 2, 1, and go.
Is that the girls start their lift from the squat rack. They don't. So the female needs to find a lift. Front squat, shoulder to overhead. 2 front squat. Team built differently. Team built different is on fire. Princess, shirts are coming off. I see that.
We got Mike here from Built Different. Carry 395 pounds in the yoke carry.
Here we go. Built different. We got 245.
A correction on our part. For the yoke carry, the men are carrying 242 pounds.
Women are carrying 152 pounds. Last 3 minutes, it looks like Asuka female is continue to build onto their lift to find their best lift here. Feel different, male are not slowing down. Yo, carries.
2 minutes.
Princess, the other part of the yoke carry is right now their forearms are on fire. Not only this is a core and lower body workout, but their forearms to hold that weight up, it takes a toll on your forearm. So right now, they are fried. So basically, you have to keep your mind strong. Flora 14, Built Different is now on her. Coach signal that. This is everything you got now. Everything you got.
Five.
You got it. All ball. Pia Squad. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are moving as our coach preparing and volunteers are clearing and preparing our team. And our next team, we would like to apologize to our viewers. Difficulties with our connections. So if we're going in and out, we do apologize and we humbly apologize. It's not really our fault, but we will still apologize for the. You will still catch it on a later date. You just go back and rewind the live and rewatch it all over again.
Two teams from Samoa is now on stage right now. Team Apia Squad, Team Evolve.
This is the tenacity of our folks here, of all of our athletes, and just from the skills from training, I guess, but they continue to, with each level, as I mentioned, it just intensifies. And I don't know where they're drawing their strength from for the next competition, but I am just amazed that they still have energy.
Their family and friends that are here today, showing them support. That's the reason why they continue moving out in this competition. Right now, I'm telling you, after that first two events, I would be pretty beat up. But because if my family's here and my friends are here watching online, I'm not letting nobody down. So I think that's what's happening right now.
Round of applause to all of our supporters, our audience and spectators, and most importantly, all of our cheerleaders in the house today. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting our athletes. Thank you for supporting our teams. And thank you for Funk Fit American Samoa with the Funk Fit Games 2024 for the fittest on the rock. Up next with our hit 3, ladies and gentlemen, we have 2 of our traveling teams that came in from Apia, which are Apia Squad and Real Steel Ice, competing against each other, but competing with Team Evolve of American Samoa in our hit 3 of our 3rd event of the day.
Absolutely, Princess. So again, talking about the actual movements here, this is the strength portion of our Funk Fit game. The reason why that is because it's not a lot of reps, which are the 2 main lifts that we're going to see today, and shoulder to overhead. You only need to do 2 reps and continue moving up the weight.
For the Maserati, you get nothing. For the Lamborghini, you won't give. For the Bentley, you won't bend it. Oh, baby, choose what you wanna cruise in. I buy you shoes, but we Jimmy Choo. And I like the way I get in out. So up in my Maserati, baby, up in my Maserati, up in my, I say up in my Maserati, up in my Maserati. Wanna see you go down. So we are like the way you get down. Up in my Maserati.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Heat 3 starting soon with Team Evolve, Apia Squad, and Real Steel Ice.
All right, athletes, stand by. 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go.
Here we go. The track bars, the women's are carrying 152 pounds, 10 meters, as many times as they can. The males starting their complex, front squat and shoulder to overhead. Team Evolve starting out with 225 pounds, Mr. Joe Bangata. Easy money. Evolve, Team Evolve, with their yo carry. Team Evolve males still at 245 pounds with their lift.
We got Miss Annie with the yoke carry and Team Evolve. We got Miss Memory from Apia Squad. And Big Joe with the lift at 245. Finishing the squat. And now for the overhead lift. One successful lift. Two successful lifts for our team.
3 minutes.
Ice. That was a nice lift, guys.
Martin.
Two minutes.
For the boys here at Evolve, Walter, 265 front squat, shoulder to overhead. That's a good lift. You got one more to go. And good lift. 45. Evolve, Mr. Big Joe.
So for Team Real Still Ice, for Fritz, his best was at
15 seconds.
285 pounds.
Go lift Big Joe.
5, 4, 3, 2, and time. 1 minute remaining. Judges, switch your plates. 1 minute transition.
All right, we got 1 minute to transition all the boys to their yoke carry. And now the females has to transition into their complex lift.
20 seconds. 15 seconds. Stand by. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and go.
All right, we got the males doing their yoke carry for 242 pounds, a yoke carry.
No soy ni Reebok ni Sonai, no. Sin estilista luzco fly. La Rosalía me dice que luzco guay. No te lo niego porque yo sé lo que hay. Lo que se ve no se pregunta. Yo te espero y tengo claro que es mi culpa. Como Canelo en el ring nadie me asusta. Vivo en mi oasis y la paz no me la tumba. Hakuna Matata como Timon y Pumba. Voy pa' leyenda así que dale zumba. Los dejo ciego con la vibra que me alumbra. Heiras pa' la tumba, nosotros pa' la rumba. Toda la noche rompemos, al otro día volvemos. Tú sabes cómo lo hacemos, baby.
105 for Team Evolve's females.
We party to the extremo, baby. Toda la noche rompemos, al otro día volvemos.
105 for Team Evolve females. They're lifting 105. For Team Real Still Ice females are lifting 155 pounds.
Very nice. Thank you, Martin.
Good. Front squat. Overhead. Shoulder to overhead. They need 2. And good lift. Team Evolve, the ladies are moving up the weight. 115, 115 pounds on the bar. Andy is strapping up, lift 115 pounds. 2 movement, front squat and shoulder to overhead.
And we have Apia squad for the women's lift, moving up to 125 pounds.
Apia squats, moving up the weight. 125, 125 pounds on the bar for the females.
And we have Miss Tau from Real Still Ice, the second attempt at 155 pounds.
Second female athlete for Real Still Ice, 155 pounds. Front squat is good.
3 minutes
Shoulder to
remaining.
overhead. Good lift.
Apia squad successfully completed both females of 185 and 205 pounds.
Team Evolve females moving up the weight. We have 135 pounds.
2 minutes remaining.
We got Annie Ames. 2 squats good. Nice lift.
We
Real
have
Steel
Team
Ice.
Api, Real Steel Ice, Pamu successfully completing 175 pounds.
Ladies and gentlemen, 175 pounds for the females at Real Steel Ice. Boys are at it, still at it. The boys are still at it. Yoke carry, 100 and 242 pounds. Yoke carry for the male.
1 minute remaining.
We have 1 minute remaining, guys. Give it everything you got. This is it, Big Joe. Red line it.
One more.
30 seconds.
Good job, Team Evolve.
15 seconds remaining.
At 145 pounds.
10 seconds. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time.
Ladies and gentlemen, have a big round of applause for all 3 of our teams completing this heat. Give it up for Team Evolve, Apia Squad, and Real Steel Ice. My Lord, my Lord, see my Lord, tell. And up next, ladies and gentlemen, with our Heat 4, and this is with our RX teams, Team Ultra, Beast Mode, and Real Steel Fire.
This is the one I want to watch, Princess. This is where the big boys come in.
Once again, Tamalo Lava, Tamalo Atu, Isato Ao, Ole Evolve, Apia Squad, Papea, Ole Real Steel Ice, Lato Tamafainga, Ile Tato, Heat Alona Tolu, Tato Tato Alon Tolu, Ole Tato, Funk Fit Games 2024. Now, James, I know there's a switch. Where's my cameraman? Where's my cameraman? Now, James, to my understanding, with the heat number 4 in round 3, there's a change up in the competition.
Yes, the change is instead of doing 2 reps for your complex, now the RX team will need to do 3. And also for the yoke carry, as you can see, this is a different equipment, right? This is new. This is the first time we've had this in the Feng Fei Games. So as you can see, we're gonna get the weights very soon, but this is a different equipment than what the scale team has been using. So once again, for the RX, they need to do 3 front squat and 3 shoulder to overhead. And then followed by 10-meter yoke carry using this equipment right here for 10 meters, as many reps as you can.
Now for our RX team, James, as the coaches and all of our volunteers ready the set for this next heat, or the last heat of round 3, we have Beast Mode with Ken, Letty, Elsie, and Beta. Rio Seal Fire with Kaino, Uni, Mary, and Tunu. And Team Ultra with Flo, or Miss Florence, Ma Naima, Lorenz the Inspiration, and Lali.
Princess, this is the show to watch right here.
This is going to be an intense competition. And after this heat, we are moving directly into our last event, which is event number 4. Now, we would like to share with you all what the events are, or the repetitions are for event number 4, but we don't know. That is a surprise element of today's tournament. So stay tuned and we will fill you in of what our event number 4 will look like. quick acknowledgements once again of all of our sponsors.
I can tell you got big energy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me, but I might let you try it out the Hennessy.
Once again, a shout out to our vendors. We have Bula Fiji Curry, All About Me Spa, Tropical Soul Juice and Juice Company, Sadie's by the Sea. Thank you to Mrs. Talonga Drabble for providing the refreshments and lunch for our recovery room and our athletes. Thank you to Ms. Trisha Sue of Juicy for running our recovery room for our athletes. RJ's Coffee and Teaing, Pacific Sales with Mrs. Terry Stephanie, Legacy Eats, Lila's Flora, Takuna High School's Hosa Club, once again, we would like to acknowledge and thank all of our media coverage for today. Fits How We Deals. Thank you for putting us on the internet and putting us on live. It's How We Deals, Mr. Henry Alvaha. To Coco Comedy. T.Y. Bloom with Mr. Daniel Whitcomb. MK Photography with Miss Tilofia. KVZK. I Films with Mr. Soli Alva. My co-host and co-MC and co-commentator, Mr. James Aulava. Tassi Media with Lauren Sevai Tassi. And Tip Photography with Miss Bella Vienna. A shout out to all of our sponsors, our major sponsor for our Funk Fit Games 2024. SoPac with Bud Light, Mike and Malia Tolmi, Samu's Ice Cream, Blue Sky, American Samoa, Sadie's, Cherry Salon, Island Business Center, Aleppo Full Spa, and Tony Ocean Mart. And thank you once again to all of our supporters, our audience, our family members, the Funk Fit family, and all of you who are tuning in from around the world to be with us today to wish all of our athletes and our teams the best of luck as they compete in today's tournament, the Funk Fit Games 2004 for the fittest on the rock. James, would you like to add on?
Absolutely, Princess. As everybody getting ready to start their lift, I just want to make sure that everybody's aware that the new change that's coming in for the equipment that these guys are using is quite different. It requires them to use their core, make sure that each side is balanced as they make their way walking forward. Everything needs to balance. So it's not easy, but it's also not impossible.
Once again, we would like to send a five-time thank you and Famalo Lava to Sauia Gym for the monetary donation to today's tournament.
spit your boot, I come fuck from my group. I'm telling you, and to the do lifestyle of a group. If you dance to the loop, then to the loop, then to the loop. That's if it's not enough. If I do 99, go do one. Don't know how to show you my love without fucking love. I'm glad you and you will be driven me to love.
starting off, and then we have with Real Steel Fire, we have Mary and Lorenz with Team Ultra.
Once again, if you're not just tuning in, for the male, we're going to start off with 270 pounds, doing 3 front squat and 3 shoulder to overhead, while the girls are doing their yoke carry.
Not just the cops, but the homies you gotta watch. The moon is full, look at the dark cloud. Sitting in my struggle, watching open going wild, tat out. I don't dump mainstream, I knock underground. All of that is sugar coated and watered down. I'm from the bay where we hockey and go just from the soil where them rappers be getting their.
All right, guys, we got Kennedy here, beast mode at 270 pounds, 275 pounds, front squat, good. We need 3, and straight to shoulder to overhead at 275 pounds.
That's 1 good lift.
Girls
2, 10, and last one. There's a 275 pounds for Kennedy Nofangatoa from Team Beast Mode.
We got Nightlaw on the bar now for Team Ultra. 3 front squat and 3 shoulder to overhead. Remember, the boys are building their weight up. They're moving up the weight. Team Beast Mode, they're moving to 295 pounds.
Team Ultra.
295 pounds for Team Beast Mode.
Team Ultra is also moving up to 295 pounds.
Beast Mode and Team Ultra lifting the same weight, 295 pounds. All right, we got 315 pounds for Team Ultra.
And we have Real Steel Fire at 330 pounds with Hino.
335 for Team Real Steel Fire.
She's that type, I can't tell. Let
let me get into it.
First athlete for Team Beast Mode at 295 pounds on their complex. Front squat and shoulder to overhead. Judge signal, no rep.
3 minutes remaining.
Naima, 315 pounds. Naima is now resetting, lifting 315 pounds. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Kennedy for Beast Mode, ready for 295 for his complex lift. Weight is up, weight is good. Here we go, front squat, we need 3. Thumbs up, good. Thumbs up, good. Here we go, we need 3. Shoulder to overhead. Nice. Nice. Naima at 315. And the weight is moving. Kennedy, and it's up.
Completing
Nice.
295
pounds. Naima, 315.
2
Shoulder to
minutes.
overhead. One more for 315. And coach just said that's a good lift.
Naima completing 315 pounds.
315. 315 pounds for Naima.
Let's go, Flo. Let's go, Team Ultra. Go, go.
Beast Mode is strapping up for his second attempt at 295 pounds. The ladies are still at it at their carry. Beast Mode, 295 pounds. Thumbs up from the judge. All 3 front squat is good.
Oh, nice try.
Nice lift.
Let's go. 30 seconds.
The ladies are still at it.
15 seconds.
15 seconds left on the clock. Give it everything you got.
10.
Here we go.
Let's go.
Keep moving forward.
5 seconds.
LT not giving up. LT is going in hard. All right, LT of Beast Mode.
Amazing,
1 minute
sensational lift.
transition.
All right, we got 1 minute transition. 1 minute to transition females and males to their second lift.
Judges, please help put on the weight.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, on the floor, we have Beast Mode, Real Fire, and Team Ultra.
All right, the ladies are now setting up for their complex lift.
15 seconds. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go.
All right, here we go.
All right, we have Kennedy and Naima.
It's the race to the finish line. Thumbs up for Team Beast Mode. Nobody's slowing down, Princess. Let's not forget the defending champs. They are still at it.
looks like it hurts, but no one is giving up. They are fighting. They are fighting, fighting, fighting.
All the months and years of preparation comes down to this moment right here, Princess. Nobody's slowing down.
We have Flo at 105 pounds and Lolly at 155 pounds with Team Ultra.
Team Beast Mode female lifting 145 pounds.
2 minutes in.
Females lifting 145 pounds. The weight is up. It's good.
We have Team Beast Mode at 145. Team Real Steel Fire for Mary, we have 195 pounds at the first
Oh
attempt.
my goodness, 195 pounds.
And Tunu at 135 pounds.
135 pounds for
3
Real
minutes
Steel
in.
Fire. These
Halfway
female
mark.
are not letting down, ladies and gentlemen. There's a neck-to-neck battle here on this side with Beast Steel Fire.
With Beast Mode, we have LT with an attempt at
175. 3 front squat, 3 shoulder to overhead. Nice lift.
2 minutes remaining.
And Mary with the last attempt at 100 and oh, the effort, the effort.
That was a good one. That was a good lift, Princess.
Lolly attempting at 175 pounds. Last overhead. A perfect lift at 175 pounds for Lolly. We have Flo
1 minute remaining.
going into 115 pounds, and then we have LT 5 pounds.
Stand it up, Flo. 30 seconds remaining.
Last 30 seconds. Give it everything you got. You trained for this moment right here, right now. Redline it.
We have Mary at the second attempt at
15 seconds.
195 pounds.
Everything you got.
10 seconds remaining. Let's go. Finish strong. 5, 4, 3, 2, and time.
Give it up for Beast Mode, Real Steel Fire, and Team Ultra.
James, now that was something. We have the females that kept climbing higher with their weight. And then we also have the males just going in hard, giving everything that they got and leaving it all on the mat for the title of Fittest on the Rock.
Absolutely, Princess. If you think that hurts, it is because it does. That was pretty intense.
And that wraps up this heat, ladies and gentlemen. A big round of applause, please, for Beast Mode, Real Steel Fire, and Team Ultra. Now we're going to take a quick moment to recover, for all of our teams to recover, as our judges and coaches ready our last event, event number 4. What's in the event? We don't know yet, but our coach, I believe our coach, Claude Young, will explain it to you all really, really soon. And we would like to take this opportunity to once again thank you all for tuning in and watching our Funk Fit Games 2024 right here in American Samoa, coming to you live from the Diwa Gym in Tafuna, brought to you by Pitawi Deals. And for all of our audience members and our supporters, family members, and those of you who are out here today to support all of our athletes and all of our teams, thank you for making today possible, and thank you for supporting our athletes and making their attempts and making their dreams at CrossFit training come true. Now, how about that last heat? Oh my goodness. That was rough. That was intense. That was something to watch. It was
Absolutely, Princess.
Woo.
Oh my goodness. Mama, there goes that man.
There was quite a few of them on that field. There was quite a few of the men on the mat. And every time I was trying to get the weights of each of our athletes. We had other folks, the supporters on the mat, yelling at us, "Move out of the way, we're trying to record." You can screenshot everything off of the live, y'all. Please don't beat the MCs up. We're just trying to do our job and commentate and share with the world what the attempts are. So if we have stepped in your way and stepped in front of your camera, please forgive us. Just don't step in front of my way. You'll learn the hard way. I'm just kidding. So, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes events 1, 2, and 3. We are now moving into our final event, and I believe this is where the best of the best are going to compete for the title of Fittest on the Rock at our Funk Fit Games 2024. I would like to once again send a big shout out and acknowledgement of recognition to all of our volunteers. Thank you all for making today happen, and thank you for participating and volunteering your time into this event today for our Funk Fit Games 2024. For our coaches, Coach Claude Young and Cherish Young, Coach Kennedy Nofangatua, Coach Martin Folau, Coach Raymond David, and Coach Gentry Houghton. Oh, my bad. And also our partial coach, Coach Walter. Where's Coach Walter at? An acknowledgement once again, ladies and gentlemen, to all of our coaches. Coach Claude and Cherish Young, Kennedy Nofangotoa, Martin Folau, Raymond David, Matt Voss, and Koloy Ioane. If we have missed any of you coaches, please Facebook me and let me know and I will do something about it. But once again, congratulations to all of our teams, all of our athletes for such an intensifying, eventful, and an amazing showmanship of CrossFit sports that motivating, but at the same time, I don't know, like I'm in mixed emotions of, do I want to join CrossFit or do I just want to continue to be a spectator and supporter? That's where I'm at this moment. It looks good, but I don't look good. You know what I mean? But for any of you that are watching today, if you are being inspired and then you are being motivated to join FunkFit and become a CrossFit athlete, do not let me push you away. That's just me because I'm lazy. But I know all of you here are inspired enough and motivated to become a CrossFit athlete. Right, Mao?
Absolutely, Princess. Again, if you're tuning in and if you're here and you want to know more about what FunkFit is all about and if they have any classes, they have classes every morning and evening. So if you want to join FunkFit, you can message us on Facebook, FunkFit American Samoa, and we are also live on FunkFit Games 2024 page.
Entrepreneur niggas in the mall go. He can roll with the crew, he can so loud. But I think I like a murder when he down loud. And I think I like a murder with the fitted cap on. He ain't even gotta try to put the Mac on. He's gotta give me that look. When he give me that look, then the penny's coming out. Excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. You know I really think, but I'm
Famole, if you're in the audience or in the building, if you can report to the athlete room, Famole, thank you.
Body parts fake, Gilly, Gally, I run through your mammy, and her hands was off the chain. I hit that dang so hard, she called for a 1-1 bang. Let's go to Jamaica for some part. Didn't take it to Tally for T-Pain. Mama moved that ass like chitty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang. Hey, shorty, what's happening? Girl, let's get this thing rockin', rockin'. You just bend it on over. I will get behind and you make it wine. Shake your body,
Volunteers, our FunFit volunteers, can you please follow me to the recovery room? Welcome po Pemernay volunteers. Nakinig na.
Announcements, please pay
move your body. No time for story, oh. Where my oh, yeah, mama, oh, my sister, oh, my baby, oh, my sister, oh, my baby, thank you.
I like it when you do sharp. Back it, I like it when you go sharp. My yo-yo, I see you put on the way you wanna roll in the take of my heart. Roll in the top of my heart. I said, you know me,
Volunteers.
Oh, yeah, mama, oh, my sister, oh, my baby, thank you, party. Oh, yeah, mama, oh, my sister, oh, my baby, thank you, party. Girl, your body, sweetie, and your fine face, pretty. Naughty, and your backside, look what
tú no te sabes mover. Tú no te sabes mover. Tú no te sabes mover, solté, porque no lo sabes mover. Quien quiere apecharme y no se va a poder. Te traje este ritmo como con los pies. Duerme mi banda, no estoy en rueda de salami. Que estoy pa' los Grammy, ahora me la quieren dando la mami. Los cuentos me tienen más blanco que Sammy. Siempre me llamo un culo nuevo pa' mí. Rueda de salami, que estoy pa' los Grammy, ahora me la quieren dando la mami. Los cuentos me tienen más blanco que Sammy. Siempre me llamo un culo nuevo pa' mí.
Testing, testing, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. All right, it's about that time. For the teams that are going to be advancing for the final workout, James, Princess, would you guys like to announce that?
And gentlemen, for our final workout in Heat 1, we have Team Real Steel Ice, Team Asuka, and Team Team Beast Mode, Real Steel Fire, and Team Ultra.
All right, so Coach will go through the movements, but the final reset. So Coach will do Real Steel Ice, Asuka, and Abia Squad from Mole.
All right, teams, we have 5 minutes, and then we will go ahead and begin with our first heats for round number 4. Once again, we have Team Evolve, Team Real Steel Ice, Asuka, and Apia Squad. You have 5 minutes to get dressed, get ready, and get on the mats, for we are about to begin the last event.
of her, she can even ride it. Go ahead, move your feet just like this. Then he showed me the latest. You walk over the haters. Now what you do, man, I zoom through. Now watch me. So when you jump on the floor, better use your red. So go. No balance.
All right, athletes who will be competing in the last workout, please make your way out. We're going to go over the workout right now, and you can ask your questions.
Volunteers.
Volunteers, can you please come and grab the boxes for our podium? Por favor. Gracias. Volunteers, please come grab our boxes.
Judges, make your way onto the floor.
was always in the lead. Who you wanna be? I'm who they wanna be. B-E-A-U-T-Y-E. Never seen so much rage from a queen. Rage from a queen. Queen so strong, though she was a machine. Girl of your dreams, Sinclair regime. Turn to the max, can't forget Maxine. Prefer to be as a goddess, I'm tired of being modest. 100 degrees the hottest. If we're being honest, ever be anybody's. Black people win, they say we be a demonic. Angel in disguise, I ain't have to disguise it. Why you gotta disguise it? Rich in your mind, that's why I'm making deposit. Give me all the power, it's time to realize it. You'll never ever take my power. Don't know, good take my power. My power, my power. Don't know, good take my power. My power, my power. They feel away, oh wow. They feel away, oh wow. Don't know, good take my power. My power, my power. Don't know, good take my power. My power, my power. They feel away, oh wow. They feel away, oh wow. This that rhythm, this that lightning, this that bar, this ain't no power, this that man this that herb, this that kinfolk, this that skinfolk, this that war, this that bloodline, on the front line, ready for war, where you Scooby-Doo pop, boom boom, boom boom, Scooby-Doo pop, boom boom, Scooby-Doo pop, boom boom, Scooby-Doo pop, boom boom, Scooby-Doo pop.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to thank you all for your patience. Again, we would like for all of our teams to please start making your ways onto the mat. Team Evolve, Real Still Ice, Team Asuka, and Akia Squad. Your time is now. Your time to get this award. And the prize money of 50,000. So I'll take that back. It's not 50,000. But y'all got excited for a minute. But if you're a spectator and you're enjoying yourself, please look around if you see any type of trash anywhere. Thank you for helping us out by picking up after yourselves and for keeping American Samoa beautiful and clean and litter-free.
All right, DJ. Cut the beat. All right, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I want to congratulate the teams that have made it to the Final Four. Team Evolve, who are not here. Where are they? Oh. Team Real Steel Ice from Samoa. Team Azteca and Team Apia Squad. And for the RX division, these teams also made it to the top four. Team Beast Mode, Real Steel Fire, and Team Ultra. Okay, our final workout for today. This is a very special workout. It's titled Terese. Teresa is my mom. Just lost her last year in March, and she fought and lost her battle to cancer. So this one is dedicated to you, Mom. 1954. That's meters for everyone to share. Your team of 4, you can break it up however you want. 1954 was the year my mother was born. 71, that's how old she was when she passed. So 71, single dumbbell, alternating devil presses. For the scale division, it's going to be 35 pounds for the men and 20 pounds for the ladies. When I say alternating, you have to alternate. You can't go twice with one arm. So Coach Ray is going to demonstrate the alternating double press. You must go all the way to the floor, pick the weight up and snatch it up, or clean it and jerk it up overhead. However you get it overhead, you share that also however you want. Okay, you can break it up however you want. Then, after you're done with your alternating devil presses, you're gonna move to your deadlifts. For the males, on the scale division, it's gonna be 95 pounds. For the females, it's gonna be 65 pounds. All right? What we're looking for is for you to make sure you lock out at the top. That means hips, knees, and shoulders are behind the bar, but the hips and knees need to be locked out. Okay, same standards for the RX and same standards for the scale division. Once you're done with your 71 deadlifts, also shared however you want, we're gonna do 71 shared hang power cleans. So hang power cleans starts above your knees. If you go past your knee and clean it up, that's a no rep. It must be above the knee. And you must control the weight up here. Before you come down, you have to stabilize it, okay? You can't be bending your knees and coming down before you stand up. You have to stand the weight up all the way, okay? Do we need a demonstration for that? Hang, hang, hang. Yeah. That's a hang clean. That's a no rep right there. Must show control at the top. Must stabilize the weight. Okay? Any questions about the cleans? The weight for the scale division is 95 and 65. But for the RX division, it's 135 and 95 for the ladies. All right? Once you're done with your hang power cleans, with the remaining time, you will do an AMRAP. That means as many reps as possible at the weights that were already disclosed. And you're going to try and get as many squat cleans as you can together as a team in the remaining time. That will be your score. Time cap is 21 minutes. 21 minutes, okay? Squat clean. You have to pick it up from the floor, catch it in the squat, and you have to go same standards for the squat. Your hip crease must be below your knees, 90 or below, and you have to pick it up from the ground every single time. If you don't go past your knees, that's a no rep. That's a no rep. That's a good rep. If you have mobility issues with your front rack position, you just have to stabilize the weight. Yes. Yes, you can drop the weight and reset. Do it however you want. You can go one, then the girls go one, one, one. Break it up however you want. but that's going to be your score. Total number combined.
Just want to say, watching all you guys today, I didn't see any mobility issues. So if you got a mobility issue, bring it up now and then improve it to me. But no one's got a mobility issue when it comes to the clean. Thank you.
Any questions? If you have any more questions, please ask your judges before we start so we can clarify everything before we start. All right? Yes. There is no synchronized. Everybody's going to do the same thing. I know it says it down here, but I changed my mind because I can. A little bit easier today. I want you guys to be able to get to the squat cleans. Okay? No, it doesn't have, you can go in any order you want. It doesn't have to be like one person go each time, right? It's up to you. If you want to do two, and then your partner does two, they go back and forth, it's up to you.
If you want to do one and the other team do 70, that's up to you. Whatever you want to break it down, it's up to you. It's all shit.
Any other questions? One at a time, one athlete at a time. Yes, you can't touch the equipment until the other athlete drops it. Yeah, you and your whole team are going to be moving from one movement to the next, to the next. 21, that's how old you were when you had your first drink.
No, the time cap is 21 for the 8th time.
Remember that time you were 21 and then you were in the bar for the first time? Any other questions? Good luck to all the teams. Have fun and be safe. Stay injury free. Let's go.
Okay, you have 5 minutes to warm up or get familiar with your equipment before we begin.
I know, I'll simulate like this game. Y'all thought we killed him with the last one. Remix. DB, DS Brothers, Slow Ride, Hawthorne, Pitbull, Flip a Lot, DJ Loud. I see you move, shake, shake, now drop, let your body say. Move, shake, shake, now drop, let your body say. Move, shake, shake, now drop, let your body say. Move, shake, shake, now drop,
All right, ladies and gentlemen, for our Heat 1 on round 4, we have Team Asuka, Apia Squad, Real Steel Ice, and Team Evolve.
Damn right, I'm about to lose my mind. So stack, know how to make that body grind. I want to press rewind, now give it to me one time, give it to me 2 times. Slow ride, I must say I like when them green. Get Lucy low to the flow with them jeans. Hey baby, take go bitty, baby B. When I'm in the club with DJ, I like me. Shake, shake, now drop, what your body say. Move, shake, shake, now drop, what your body say. Move, shake, shake, now drop, what your sister say. Hey Lance, I got you, homie. Shake, now drop, 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 drop.
Shake your ass like that.
G5, no, this not a challenger. I keep some members with me in the fridge, the coat seats, they some cannibals. They like to get geek, drink a whole bottle, wake up and repeat. She took a look, mixed it with the chill out. Now she said she saying 3D. I go in the jungle and they got a coat, I bet I come out with a million. I bet I do this shit for the fam, cause this shit bigger than me. Color stones in my infinity lane, and in the factory masterpiece. I call him twin, could that be my brother? We got the same role and he matching me. Nah, for real. Water on me like the sun of sun. Carrot, song, pointers, all these commas, I won't fumble. Migo gunners out the jump, buy it all, fuck a front. Fuck nigga, cake on me, no fun. Drop top feeling like stunner. Drop top, can't be play no runner. We gon' chrome my water, smoke my pilot, take 35 to the tropics. Nigga one shit, I was outside just serving narcotics. Pay me that stick, nigga made one wrong move, just pop it. Left it on board with the whole federal out in the hotel lobby. Diamond get dancing like Bobby, they dance. Don't touch it, they got to be cocky. Shroom and G at the party, we get. Bitch, you gon' try on the time. The rap for the more, I better not see me.
2 minutes. Ready? Judges ready? All right, let's go. Athletes
first movement is 1,954 meter row. This is shared upon all four athletes.
Super 8, that lo-fi stupid 8-bit. I'm on that HD flat, this beat go boom boom bap. I'm a beast when you turn me on. Into the future, Cybertron. Harder, faster, better, stronger. Texting ladies extra longer. Cause we gotta be that pound. We gotta be that pound. We gotta be that 808, that boom boom in your
Fetish lifestyle so rich and famous, Robin Leach will get jealous. 500,000 for the store. Taking trips from here to Rome.
1,954 meters is the number to go. That number is shared by all four athletes. However they want. 1,954 meter row.
News for you, gonna put some wheels in motion.
go goblets. Sorry, alternating devil press. 71 single dumbbell alternating devil press. As you can see, kind of like a burpee. When you come up, extend your hips and all the way up. Alternating hands. You need 75 single alternating devil press. We also have Asuka team on the devil presses. Abia squad is also on their 71 devil presses. All right, we got Real Steel Ice starting their alternating dumbbell devil presses.
From Team Evolve. For the females, and we got 35 pounds dumbbell for the male. Alternating dumbbell presses. Let's go, Big Joe.
Once again, this is a shared 71 dumbbell alternating devil presses. This is our last and final event, event number 4. We have 10 minutes and 48 seconds on the clock, guys. Is on there. 71 deadlift, 135 pounds for male and 95 pounds for the female.
Let's go, Ken. Come on. Everybody's finishing up their devil presses. Let's go, Gordon. Down and up, down and up. And Ames on the deadlift. Let's go, girl. Light work.
135 pounds for the male and 95 pounds for female deadlift. We got Real Steel Ice now starting their deadlift. This is our last and final. So with all our athletes competing, they're gonna. This is everything they got. 71 deadlift.
Now, James, out of 21 minutes per time gap we are at 13 minutes. So they don't have a lot of time left, but this is their time to shine and to outdo the competition.
We got 8 more minutes left. 8 more minutes left, guys, to finish. 71 deadlift.
Way to go,
If the teams finish all their 71 hang power cleans before the time-minute gap is done, they can do as many squat time remaining.
Team Real Steel Fire is on fire. Team Asuka is throwing out them reps. And Team Apia Squad are just running away with this competition.
Princess, it looks like everybody's now doing their squat cleans.
Oh yes. You're in this to win it.
71 hang power cleans. Hang.
Leave it all on the mats, athletes. Leave it all on the mats.
Team Evolve is now doing their at 135 pounds for the males and 95 pounds for the females. Each athlete working one at a time.
95 and 65.
And this is called
Asuka is now on board for their squat clean.
And I love the inspiration behind the wads here. Terry said.
Real Steel Ice is now on par. Apia Squad is now doing their squat clean. For the time remaining, they're going to do as they can.
Minutes remaining.
Everyone here is fighting until that last sweats and teardrops drop because they are competing. Rock.
5 more minutes remaining, guys. We are at 16 minutes and 30 seconds. 5 more minutes remaining. As many reps.
I can see the determination within our teams from Apia that they are not going home empty-handed. All teams are competing to say, oh, we are keeping the title.
Princess, like everybody's fighting to the finish line.
Most likely, yes. Everybody is a winner. That's a definite. But to be the fittest on the rock, though, well, that's a whole different story. See, Fritz is repping out those squats. Lily is just flying with his.
3 minutes.
We have 3 minutes remaining on our time. 3 minutes. Big Joe's going in hard. We have memory with the Apia squad. Kensio Nasi is not giving up at all. He's saying, this is mine.
Remaining. Give it everything you got, guys.
All right, where's our cheers at, audience? Where are your cheers to cheer on our athletes? We have less than a minute remaining. Oh, less than 2 minutes remaining.
At this time, Princess, fatigue started to kick in. Your body's saying no, but your mind needs to say yes. Finish strong, guys.
And what's the spirit saying?
1 minute remaining.
Now with 1 minute remaining, James, this is where we are going to separate the men from the boys and the women from the girls. What else is left in you? This is your time to lay it all out and leave it all on the mat. For what? For the title.
Absolutely. This is what you call in CrossFit red line. You got to red line it right here.
30 seconds remaining.
Last 30 seconds, guys.
Let's go. Come on. $15. All you got. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and die.
And there you have it, guys. Team Evolve, Real Steel Ice, Asuka, your home team, and Apia SWAT.
And for event 4, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of Heat 1. How about a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for our teams that competed in Heat 1 for event number 4, Real Steel Ice, Team Evolve, Apia Squad, and Team Azteca Powered 5G. Up next with our Heat 2 in round 4, or event 4, ladies and gentlemen, I give to you Real Steel Fire with Kaino, Uni, Mary, and Tunu. Beast Mode with Ken, Letty, Elsie, and Pizza. Lorenz, the Inspiration, and Lali. A big pamalo and pamtai once again to today's Funk Fit Games 2024. You may not know it. We are motivating those who are in this gymnasium right now to watch, to applaud, and to cheer. And at the same time, those who are tuning in via live on social media, Facebook and Instagram, to be better, do better, and to become inspiration themselves, to motivate people like us to live a better and healthier lifestyle. Once again, congratulations and big pamalo to Real Steel Ice, Team Evolve, Apia Squad, and Team Azteca for the completion of event number 4 in Heat 1. And before we wrap things up, we would like to once again acknowledge all of our vendors who made it out today, that made this event a success by providing and selling some goods for all of our athletes and our spectators, and of course, family and supporters. Lila's Flora, Flora's Shop, Tropical Soul, RJ's Coffee, Pacific Sales with Auntie Terry Stephanie, All About Meat Spa, Legacy Eats, and the Tafuna High School Hosa Club. Another big shout out and acknowledgement for all of our sponsors for making today's event, our Funk Fit Games 2024, a success, and for making it happen. SoPac, Bud Light with Mike and Manlia told me, Samu's Ice Cream, Blue Sky, American Samoa, Sadie's, Cherry Salon, Island Business Center, Leco Fall Spa, and Tony Ocean Marks. And a big Faptai and Famalo also to all of our media for the coverage today via photos and also the Facebook Lives and the streaming. Faptai Telelava to Fetawi Deals with Henry Alva, Coco Comedy, T.Y. Bloom with Daniel Whitcomb, MK Photography with Tilofia Apatala, KVZK TV, iFilms with Soli Alva, my co-host and co-commentator Mr. James Aulava, Tassi Media with Warren Set by Tassi, and Tip Photography with the beautiful Bella Vienna. And we would also like to acknowledge and recognize our wonderful volunteers. Thank you all for dedicating your time and giving up your days to making today's events possible. But your work is not done yet. We're not done yet. We'd like to acknowledge our coaches, Claude and Cherished Young, Kennedy Nofoang Atatoa, Martin Folau, Raymond David, Matt Foss, Poloy Ioane, and of course, Mr. James Aulaver. And a big shout out to the best DJ on this island, DJ Kelly, for the music for today. And thank you to all of our family, our friends, and supporters who took the time out of their Saturday to be here in support of Funk Fit Games 2024, and also all of our teams and our athletes. Paptai to the lava, Pop Malo, Sapsapaya, Otato, Tane Tama to my time, Malita, Alo. Isato Talo Alene, Ileneaso, Ole Sunset, Lua, Lua Sefulu, Malefa, E America, Samoa. All right, in just a few minutes, ladies and gentlemen, we will begin our final heat for our last event with RRX Team Beast Mode, Team Ultra, and Real Steel Fire.
Coming from you, and it's only tight and don't let go. We're ticking like tic-tac-toe. This is all the best and the great we know. The best man you ever know. You love my style, you love my flow, and I take you places you always dreaming to go. This is how she put her all on me. Now she's in my life, this is how I'm dreaming it to be.
One shot, one opportunity. This is everything you ever wanted. One moment that you captured, just let it slip. Yo. His palms are sweaty.
We would like to acknowledge our Let's Go supporters for Team Let's Go and for all of our FunFit family and athletes. Thank you once again to Pastor Bam Lao Bao and the beautiful Helen Lao Bao for supporting. Also to my Great Life family, thank you all for being here in support of all our Great Life athletes. It is good to see all of your beautiful faces. And to all of you in the house today, all 3,800 of you, it is good to see you all. Thank you for packing up the Dewa Gym and making today a successful event.
Go home, recollection to the throne. Don't be happy that you count impressed and they don't this and that. They try to act and step inside the world and tell them that you're the best. They should know. Got it on the track.
Bridges ready. Stand by. by 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go.
Here we go, Princess. 1,954 meter row. And this is shared upon all 4 athletes.
So we have Mr. Ken starting off for Beast Mode. We have Mary for Real Steel Fire. And of course, Lorenz, the inspiration for Team Ultra.
Very interested to see what the strategy and what their game plan is here. 1,954 meter row. We got a switch for Team Real Steel Fire.
Miss Tunu is now up on the rower and she is going. And we still have Lorenz on the rower for Team Ultra and Kennedy on for Beast Mode.
We got a switch, Princess.
Okay, we have Letty that jumped on for Team Beast Mode. Lorenz is still going for Team Ultra. Oh, no, wait, there's a switch. Manaima has hopped onto the rower. And Tunu is going off of the rower, and we have Kaino for Team.
Knock 'em out the box, with power whip, shop around the clock, hoes in the bit, paparazzi watch, bring it back like a Maserati drop, low and dip.
Now this is all about strength and resistance and durability and the endurance of what they're doing here, pushing on and pulling the rower.
.954 meter row shared with all 4 athletes, however they want.
So the strategy is if you are tired and you still want to push forward for your team, then you can go ahead and do that. But always realize that you have team members ready to take over for you. Doesn't this remind you of like they're rowing for Fautasi races? Maybe after this they can all qualify to row in Fautasi races. All right, we have Letty and Kaino switching off. Uni jumping on for Real Steel Fire. And Smith Beta jumping on for Beast Mode. Manaima still going hard for Ultra. Okay, Miss Beta is rowing.
Exterior like fishing, the interior like suicide.
You better get it, girl.
This could be your fizzing. Cheat on your man.
Lorenz, the inspiration, has jumped back on for Team Ultra.
So don't try to run up from me, talking all that nasty shit. Trying to nasty shit.
Talk about Beast Mode. Miss Beta is rowing that rower out of here. Yes, they do. Yes, they do.
right, it looks like it's a switch for Team Steel.
And we
Real
have
Steel Fire. Once again, we have
Tunu jumping
back
on,
on
and
the rowing.
Mary jumping in, or LT jumping in for beast mode. And Lorenz is still on, pushing or pulling for Team Ultra.
Just get ready for work, 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 work. You see me happy work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. You saw me by that work, 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 work. Na 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 na. When you walk out, na 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 na. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't let me stuck here in the streets. If I don't want a chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope
All right, we have Mr. Kennedy back on the road.
With Mr. Uni on for Real Steel Fire. And Lorenz is still going strong for Team Ultra.
Princess, this is all strategy. I think Team Ultra is saving their females for their next movement.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I think.
And it's persistence. Persistence, perseverance, ability, capability, and strength. That's what's being put in by all of these teams. And of course, strategy.
Absolutely, Princess. Looks like Team Beast Mode is ready to go for their next movement. Single dumbbell alternating devil presses.
All right, Team Ultra, moving on to the
All right,
single.
Team Ultra, devil presses. It is smart. It is smart. It looks like they saved their females for the devil presses.
Alternating the men onto the rowers and saving the next two teammates for the next movement or for the next repetition.
That is smart. That is smart. Here we go. We got Steel.
Real Steel Fire already moving to the next reps.
Yep.
And also Beast Mode. All of these teams are back to back to back.
Beast Mode is not too far behind. They're right back at it. £35 for the females, 55 pounds for strategy and technique is. See these last movements. You can look at right here. They're using the momentum of pulling their dumbbells and all the way up, extending their shoulders. This is all back and shoulder.
Yes. And now, and we met Miss Lolly up for Team Ultra. And now we have LT for Beast Mode and Kaido taking it away for Real Steel Fire.
71 alternating dumbbell devil presses. £35 dumbbell for the females and 55 pounds for the male. Single dumbbell devil presses. Communication is key here.
All right, Kaino and Letty up for representing their teams for Real Surfire and Beast Mode. And we have Tilali still going in strong for Team Ultra. And Team Ultra has moved on to the next rep.
Team Ultra is on their deadlift, guys. Team Ultra is now doing their 71 deadlift. 135 pounds for male, 95 pounds for females. Team Ultra is the first
10
get on the
minutes remaining.
deadlift.
We have Miss Elty going in strong and Miss for Beast Mode and Tunu fighting her way through for Real Steel Fire. We have Miss Flo Wasco up for Ultra.
Princess Ultra is not looking back. They are going all the way. 71 deadlift.
Of course, Team Ultra is not looking back, because the Bible says you look back, you turn into a pillar of salt. They're moving forward, and all they see is the gold and the prize.
I'm so captivated. And my eyes shut, closed like radiated. Your girl on my slash 11 and different songs like the new iPod. Just touch it and turn around, and when the bass start beating in the waist, I'm beating. Then I got on my way, I'm leaving. She like, where you going? I ain't got my shoes in person, so there's no real concern. And she yelled, so I walked out the door, talked into it. Told him it's a function, he said, I'm on my way. We put it to the party, I said,
All right, it looks like Real Steel Fire starting their 71 deadlift. 135 pounds for the male and 95 pounds for female. Ultra is now doing their 71 hang power clean. Here comes Beast Mode. 71 deadlift. It's a battle between Beast Mode and Real Steel Fire.
Because Team Ultra has run away. Team Ultra is gone.
Remember, 21 is the time gap. We still have squat cleans. As many.
I'm telling you, this is hardcore. Miss Sunu, a once upon a time bodybuilder turned CrossFit athlete.
Real Steel Fire is now doing their hang power cleans.
And now we got Mr. Lorenz, the inspiration, inspiring us for Team Ultra. Now with Miss Tilali.
Last one for Beast Mode. Now they're Beast Mode.
Not those dumbbells and weights like it ain't nothing.
Team Ultra is now doing their squat cleans at 135 for the males and 90 once again.
We got Mr. Kaino. And now back to Miss Sunu and Letty stepping in for Beast Mode.
Beast Mode and Real Steel Fire still need to complete their 71 hang power clean.
All right, Penta stepping in for Beast Mode and Uni for Real Steel Fire. Miss Lila dropping her weights and Lorenz the inspiration.
Here comes Kennedy for Team Beast Mode. Hang power cleans.
This is intense. This is intense. They are running.
6 minutes remaining.
With 6 minutes remaining on the clock, what else do they have left, James?
All right, it looks like Real Steel Fire is now doing their squat clean. Tunu at 95 pounds, female at 135 pounds for the male. Here comes Beast Mode. They're not too far behind, and they're catching up real quick. Seconds to go. As many reps as you can for squat cleans. All three teams are now battling it out for squat cleans.
5
This is
minutes
it, guys.
remaining.
It all comes down to squat clean. As many reps as you can.
In less than 5 minutes. This is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the last leg of the competition. Who is going to take this home? All three of our teams from Real Steel Fire, Team Beast Mode, and Team Ultra are fighting for that title of Fittest on the Rock.
Let's go, Mary.
We got Mary and Elsie. And Uni taking over.
Right now, you have to dig deeper. Everything you got right now, bring it out.
Letty stepping in for Beast Mode, and so is Uni. And now Tunu stepping in for Real Steel Fire.
That's
Lani stepping in for Team Ultra, and there you go with Beta coming back in.
This is the last 4 minutes, guys. Last 4 minutes.
Lorenz, the inspiration, carrying it away for Team Ultra. Now taking it over for Beast Mode is Mr. Kennedy and Miss Florence Wasco. Now back to Mount Naima and Mr. Kaino for Real Steel Fire.
It's a combination of strength and endurance.
Persistence and perseverance is very present here.
3 minutes.
Last 3 minutes, guys.
And now this is where our athletes will be pushing hard in the last 3 minutes of the game. From 8 a.m. James all the way now to 5 p.m. on this beautiful Saturday on the 27th of January 2004. It's been a day.
All athletes, this is your 2-minute warning. You have 2 minutes to go, guys. This is it, guys.
Let me see you make that pussy forward. Good Lord, make it shake like a salt shaker. Too hard, get it up till you can't pump. No more, see I love it when the hoes take it. To the floor, baby, fast, get it down, slump. It's on you, shout it, you can twerk, you can stir it if you want to. See, we can't keep it plump for you. All night, put a dub in the club, show me what I like. Three bitch made money in the club. The hoes like to take it off for a dub. You can't come with nothing less than a
James, it looks like we're counting.
1 minute remaining.
This is the last minute, guys. If you're in your seat right now,
This is the time to give up now. This is the time to give it all you got.
30 seconds.
Who could it be? Is it or Team Ultra?
20 seconds.
let's go. Everybody on their feet. Let's cheer
10,
them on.
9, 8, 7, 6,
Everything you got.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time!
Give it out for and Ultra.
And that's it, ladies and that is it, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. That was the last event, the last heat. Hi, volunteers. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as our players, athletes, and teams cool off and catch their breaths and to regain their strength, our coaches and volunteers are going to start clearing our mats, removing the trash, and we would like to invite all of our spectators. You are more than welcome to make your ways here to the middle and join our teams in the middle as we prepare for our award ceremony. So grab a chair. So for all of our volunteers, wherever you are,
Stop the rain from falling if you ask me to. I'd do anything for you, your wish is my command. I could move a mountain when your hand is in my hand. Words cannot express how much you mean to me. There must be some other way to make you see. If it takes my heart and soul, you know I'd pay the price. Everything that I possess, I'd gladly sacrifice. Oh, you to me are everything, the sweetest song that I
for all of our athletes, we would like to ask for all of you to please stay back for our award ceremony. Please do not leave the vicinity. Stay back for our award ceremony. Now for our skilled athletes that are well rested and are well rejuvenated, please help our volunteers by moving some of our chairs to the middle of our mats. And for all of our spectators, families, supporters, and cheerleaders, thank you very much for helping us picking up our trash. Our Diwa Gym, because we don't want American Pamalo of Thai, and a thank you to all of our teams and athletes for a intense, for a successful and great Funky Games 2024. It's been an exhausting day, but may I please have all of our teams come to sit in together as a team and come to the center or to the front of our truss here with all of our signs. Ola sa Samoa tu sa mormole tato auta alo umata itasi tato talonga ole CrossFit eto tusu ma tu tio mai loa iluma ole tato palene po lumor tato sign eto tusu mai lava oe malaoe no foa ai no fa pa atasi malito au pa mormole maleaba sawai. I will say it again in English for all of our teams that just competed in today's event from the Scaled and RX teams to please come to the front and sit together with your team members or teammates. All of our volunteers, if I could have you all behind the truss and the signs for our award ceremony.